This beef shank is slow cooked until incredibly tender and full of rich flavor. You'll need beef shank, onion, garlic, carrots, tomato paste, broth, and simple spices. Sear the beef shank in a hot pan until browned on all sides to lock in flavor. Add onion, garlic, and carrots. Cook until fragrant, then stir in tomato paste. Pour in broth, season well, and mix everything together. Cover and cook slowly for 2 to 3 hours until the meat is tender. Juicy, tender, and ready to enjoy.